You're gonna love this 2,000 square foot basement. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna start right here in the home theater. We set this up with a counter, half wall, and what's really nice is there's still 2 more rows of seating here. So if you go in here, you're gonna see we have a platform, raised seating, and then we have more seating on the ground. You see there's soffits, we have LED lights. It really just came out special. Love that it's an open concept. You could see it throughout the basement. We even added another soffit coming across here to hide the projector. But as you come out of the home theater, there's still a lot of basement here. Of course, the stairs are wide open, and these are always very important to do rather than having those walls there. But it's more important to come down and see something special. In this case, there was a little hollow part in the house, so we added this recess in here, and then we wanted all this decorative trim right here, but it was difficult because there was utilities here, so we had to hide the utilities and still have a door. The last thing I wanted to see when you came down these stairs was a door. So we come around, they also had a need for a laundry room. So we had a dead space, and this is just for pool towels and stuff like that because we have an exterior entrance here. So this worked out really nicely, just adjacent to the bathroom, which allowed us to use the same plumbing and the same sewer ejector as the bathroom. Come through over here, you're gonna see there's a storage closet here and this great mudroom bench. Love this octagon tray ceiling when you come in the back door. We added this. This was not here. This entrance was completely brand new and really just serves a great purpose with the pool, having the mudroom bench right here, the bathroom over there, and we actually added a pump for that drain and we hid it in this closet. What's really cool about the location of this door is you come that way to the bathroom and you go this way to the bar. What's nice about this bar is, first of all, it's a 14-foot back bar, but the island, the front bar, is floating. Really cool because we were able to recess the fridge in over here and you have access. This is all custom made, by the way. LED lights, tray ceilings, and they got all their appliances hidden here, and then you have access on both sides. So, and this can be designed any way. In this case, we have this great glass lit up. Love the way it looks, and to each his own. But there's actually an enhancement to the bar, which is kind of part of the bar, but this is the behind the stairs. We had some columns and we were trying to work around, so we came up with this really creative solution here with the LED lights and the built-ins, and they had some stuff they wanted to put on display, so it worked out perfectly. I love when we take the bar and have a sitting area near it, so you can come with a glass of wine, relax, and chill. And that's what they have going on right here with another TV. And then of course we have a gym. Love these giant glass doors here. And what I really like about these is they actually open up twice. This opens up and the gym could even get twice as big if you're doing a workout or if you have some people over. And then when you're done, you can close it. And what's really nice is when it's closed, you still don't feel like you're working out in a closet. The glass makes it feel much more roomy. And just overall, this basement has such a good vibe to it. It's got so many areas to hang and chill. We have this area, lounge area here, the bar. It's like endless with the theater. So super proud of the way this one came out.